Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete a custom field from your Asana library. If you've created custom fields that are no longer relevant to your workflow, removing them helps keep your workspace clean and organized. Let's walk through the process step by step. To get started, navigate to any project in your Asana organization where the custom field you want to delete is currently being used. This is important because you need to access the field through an active project to modify or delete it. Once you're in the project, look at the top right corner of your screen and click the Customize button from the drop-down menu that appears, select Field. This will bring up all the custom fields associated with that particular project. Now scroll through the list and find the specific custom field you want to remove. Once you've located it, click on that custom field. This action will open the detail pane for the field you selected, giving you access to all its settings and options. The detail pane shows you everything about the field, including where it's being used and who created it. At the bottom left of this detail pane, you'll see an option labeled Delete Field. Click on it. Asana will then prompt you with a confirmation message to make sure you really want to permanently remove this custom field from your entire organization. This is a critical step because once deleted, the field and all its data will be removed from every project where it was used. To finalize the deletion, click Delete Field one more time in the confirmation dialog, and that's it. The custom field is now permanently removed from your Asana library and will no longer appear in any of your projects. By following these simple steps, you've successfully cleaned up your Asana workspace by removing an outdated or unnecessary custom field. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.